Hey, where'd you get the truck?
Off eBay.
Really? How does one get a vehicle off eBay?
Online shopping.
Really? So what made you choose eBay over, say, like a local car dealer?
I would have to say selection, price.
So if I wanted to, say, purchase a vehicle on eBay, I mean, what kind of questions would I ask? What would I be looking for? What are the things to watch out for?
Shipping procedures, delivery, communication between you and the seller is important.
So, how did you get your truck? Obviously, you can't just ship it UPS, FedEx, or USPS. I mean, how does one get something this large?
I flew to Texas to pick this one up. The seller arranged to pick me up at the airport so I could drive, and that's how I got this one.
So, if someone, I mean, would you recommend eBay to other people looking for a vehicle or looking to buy something?
Absolutely, I do all the time.
And tell me what you would tell them if they said, "Hey, man, where do you get this stuff?"
I would say eBay. That's the best place to look because the selection is huge.
Okay, so